Avoid saying, I won't join. Say instead, I want to join. Avoid saying, it's fun. Say instead, it's enjoyable. Avoid saying, I'm member. Say instead, I'm a member. Avoid saying, that's cool. Say instead, that's awesome. Avoid saying, I'm leader. Say instead, I'm a leader. Avoid saying, I'm volunteer. Say instead. Avoid saying, I need job. Say instead, I'm seeking opportunities. Avoid saying, it's helpful. Say instead, it's beneficial. Avoid saying, I'm interested. Say instead, I'm enthusiastic. Avoid saying, that's nice. Say instead, that's kind. Avoid saying, I'm grateful. Say instead, I appreciate. Avoid saying, I'm thankful. Say instead. Avoid saying, I'll graduate. Say instead, I'll earn my degree. Avoid saying, it's soon. Say instead, it's approaching. Avoid saying, I'm happy. Say instead, I'm thrilled. Avoid saying, I'll celebrate. Say instead, I'll commemorate. Avoid saying, I'll miss. Say instead, I'll cherish the memories. Avoid saying, I'll start. Say instead. Avoid saying, I play sport. Say instead, I play sports. Avoid saying, I like club. Say instead, I like the club. Avoid saying, it's fun. Say instead, it's enjoyable. Avoid saying, I'll join. Say instead, I'll sign up. Avoid saying, I'm member. Say instead, I'm a member. Avoid saying, I'll attend. Say instead. Avoid saying, I'm bad. Say instead, I need help. Avoid saying, I don't like. Say instead, I prefer not. Avoid saying, it's easy. Say instead, it's simple. Avoid saying, I'm tired. Say instead, I'm exhausted. Avoid saying, I don't know. Say instead, let me check. Avoid saying, I'll fail. Say instead. Avoid saying, I'm scared. Say instead, I'm nervous. Avoid saying, it's big. Say instead, it's overwhelming. Avoid saying, I'm small. Say instead, I'm intimidated. Avoid saying, that's new. Say instead, that's unfamiliar. Avoid saying, I'm excited. Say instead, I'm thrilled. Avoid saying, I'm happy. Say instead. Avoid saying, my room. Say instead, my dorm. Avoid saying, I live here. Say instead, I reside here. Avoid saying, it's big. Say instead, it's spacious. Avoid saying, I have TV. Say instead, I have a TV. Avoid saying, I'm alone. Say instead, I'm by myself. Avoid saying, I like it. Say instead. Avoid saying, I need help. Say instead, I need assistance. Avoid saying, it's open. Say instead, it's available. Avoid saying, I'll go. Say instead, I'll visit. Avoid saying, I'll use. Say instead, I'll utilize. Avoid saying, I'll join. Say instead, I'll participate. Avoid saying, I'll attend. Say instead. Avoid saying, I am shy. Say instead, I'm introverted. Avoid saying, I like you. Say instead, I like hanging out. Avoid saying, let's hang. Say instead, let's hang out. Avoid saying, I'm free. Say instead, I'm available. Avoid saying, I'll come. Say instead, I'll join you. Avoid saying, I'll call. Say instead. Avoid saying, I want job. Say instead, I'm seeking employment. Avoid saying, it's fun. Say instead, it's rewarding. Avoid saying, I'm busy. Say instead, I'm occupied. Avoid saying, that's cool. Say instead, that's impressive. Avoid saying, I'm tired. Say instead, I'm exhausted. Avoid saying, I'm done. Say instead,